Footsteps on a quiet road, moving where the still winds blow. Shadows stretching far and thin, echoes calling from within. Every step a choice to rise, guided by the subtle signs. Leaving noise and comfort far, chasing glimpses of a star. On the narrow way we climb, past the edges of the mind, holding to a distant light, leading onward through the night. On the narrow way we go, where the deeper waters flow, walking past a few have tried, on a journey found inside. Silence in the turning air, empty spaces everywhere. Yet the heart keeps pulling through toward a truth it always knew. Though the road is steep and long, something steady keeps it strong.